What's up, Niner Nation? This is Jen Haley, women's basketball. I'm here to take some time out to answer some of your tweets, so let's get started. Roger asks, everybody wears the number for a reason. Why do you wear 30? Well, I wear 30 because when I got here, I wanted 34, and someone had 34, but I played in number 30 as on my AAU team, so I just took 30 and ran with it. Laura asks, so I hear the team is full of tremendous singers. Who is the best on the team? Well, Laura, I'm the best on the team that can sing. Ask my teammates, they love it, especially Epiphany Woodson. Mr. G wants to know, which of the following do you enjoy more? Blocking a shot 3 rows deep or schooling someone on the block for an easy bucket? Well, Mr. G, I like blocking shots 3 rows deep, or maybe more. Samantha emails, my daughter comes to a lot of your games and also plays. What advice do you have for young women who want to play college basketball? Well, I have several reasons, but I'm gonna start off, small. First, you have to, have your grades right to become a college basketball player. And then you have to have good skills to become a great college basketball player. So those are like the 2 main keys or advice for to becoming a college basketball player. Green and gold for life tweets. You have only worn the black jerseys once this year. Will you see them again? They are sweet. What you think? Well, I think that we'll be able to wear the black jerseys again or whatever. But they are sweet, but the last time we wore them, something pretty didn't come out of it. So I think the next time we wear them, we're gonna make something pretty out of it. Niner Nation, I answered your question, and thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all out at Halton Arena to support us. Thanks, and go Niners.
Bravo.